Once you have your Animoto account set up, you can begin creating your video. To create your video, you click on Create up in the right hand corner, and you can choose the style that best goes along with the topic of your video. If the template says Pro, it is not available to us. Once you've selected your style, you can preview, and it will show you how the slides will fade in. Once you can see it's the style you want, select Create Video, and it's time to upload your files. You want to add pictures and videos, and you want to upload them from your computer. Of all the choices it gives you, you want to make sure to upload your pictures and videos from your folder on the computer. And here's where you're going to upload the video, the JPEGs you have created from your PowerPoint slides. So previously you have saved your PowerPoint slides as JPEGs, and you will be uploading them. So locate them in your folder and choose all of your files. To do this, you can click on the first file and then hold the Shift key down on your keyboard and click on the last file. It will select all of your slides, and now click Open to upload. Once all of your slides are uploaded, you can move them around if you need. I see I have a slide that I don't need. I'm going to delete it out of there by clicking on the, let me show you that again, by clicking on the settings. By clicking on the settings button and clicking the garbage can to delete the file. It will completely delete it out of Animoto, and it won't be available to use. You probably won't delete your files, but if you need to move them around, you can move them around by dragging them to where you need them to be. Once you have your slides where you want them in order, you click Save. Now it's time to pick your music. Before we add our music, there's one last thing I want to show you about the slides. If you hover over one of the slides, you see that there is a little settings button. You can click the same button you click if you were going to delete a slide perhaps. You click on that, and if you click on the star here, it will make this slide longer. It will show longer in the video. I recommend doing this with most of your slides so that they are on the video longer, but you use it at your discretion which slides need to be longer than others. I am going to add the star to all of my slides. Oops, this rotates it. You probably want to leave it the way it is. It bumped me out of my video, so I go ahead and go to my name, go to my videos, and since I've saved it once, it should show up. And here it is. Here are the videos I've created. I click on my Animoto video because that's the one I was working on. I'm back to my slides. Once you have adjusted your slides for the length you want them, you can add music. My style already had a default song in it. Your style may have had a music as well. You can change this, or if it maybe didn't come with music at all, you are able to change your music by clicking on the settings button here, and click right on the song actually, and you're able to change your music to best fit your topic. So if I want one that goes with the book I am making my video about, I can go in here and I can play to see what the song sounds like. You can pause it, make sure you have your headphones on at this time. Once you find the song that you like, you can add the song to your video. And it has changed my song to the music I've just chosen. You want to make sure to click save. Be sure to give your video a title by clicking on the edit button here. It might say my Animoto video, and click on the little pencil to edit your title. And you want to title your video the way your teacher has told you, which is most likely the title of your book that you are making a video of. And hit save. Now you've retitled your video and you're ready to complete it with all the other instructions your teacher has given you as what you need to add to your video. But for the most part, you're already done with your video. Once you are done making all the adjustments and changing slides or anything, you are now ready to make sure to save your video again, and you can preview the video. And now I can see what the video is going to look like to everyone else. So my very short video is now ready to produce. Click produce. And you have your final video that you can share with your teacher. You want to share it in two ways. Oh, I see that the video is still finalizing here. After you've made all your adjustments and followed all the instructions on the handout that your teacher gave you, now it's time to share your final video with your teacher. You do this you want to share by giving her the link to your video as well as the embed code. So first, if you click on link, you can copy and paste this link into an email that you send to your teacher. So at this time you want to open your Gmail accounts and copy and paste this into your email. You also want to copy the embed code in the same email. So you click here on embed, and you want to copy all of this text up in the top, copy to clipboard, and paste it into the same email with the link. When you send the email, make sure that the subject has your name or in the email. You should email this to the same email you used as your username. So for example, rmsmedia+3a@rpsmn.org, for example. So the same email you used for your username, that is exactly where you want to email your video links to. You're now done with your video. Congratulations.